520N Notars. So coming in from off to your left is HB1.
Where is it?
It's coming. There it is.
Oh, there it goes.
Whoa.
Representing the California Highway Patrol is Highway Patrol. We have CHP 62, Bell 206. Now the CHP has 14 helicopters that cover the whole state of
14
California.
There's a lot of freeway.
CHP 62
Here it
serves
comes.
the Orange, San Diego, LA, and Riverside. Off to your left is CHP 62.
You couldn't give it a better name? Oh no, he should have taken it. Well, if he shot it at us, we'd die. Safety precaution.
Okay, and what they're going to do is they're going to make one more flyby, starting with Duke off to your left. They're going to fly by us one last time.
You do it this time. You do it this time.
Hey, my golf got freaking battery went out this morning.
Just keep an eye on the phone.
Okay. I'm trying to say one last time through off to your left.
Oh, there you
The
go.
Orange County Sheriff's Department. Here comes Duke 1.
Duke one. Keep an eye on the phone. I know it looks really small from my thing, but
Their support provides a vital role in communities around the county. These guys do a phenomenal job helping keep all of us safe. One last time, that's Duke. Good job, Duke. Thank you. Next from the city of Anaheim, one last pass. Here comes Angel.
The helicopter that I was in, folks, and I still don't remember. Okay, apparently 3 times, and I don't remember everyone. Oh. You do.
don't press that
As I mentioned, with flight safety, they do have to be spaced quite a ways apart, so that's why it's taking a second here.
Here goes.
Once again, one last time, this is Angel.
Little fast.
The limit is 5. Okay.
From the city of Huntington Beach will be HB1. He could just speed it up like Anaheim did. Okay, got better and better. Straight over the tops of the palm trees.
Show off.
Okay, one last time. Flying backwards. See out the flight path.
Oh, you missed that part.
I got it.
62.
You didn't get all of it.
Also coming right over the palm tree tops off to your left.
Oh, it's all the way up. God. Hold on. What is this? No, that's nothing. Okay, never mind.
There it is.
Backwards.
Is it backwards?
Slow down.
One last time. CHP 62. Great job, and thanks to all of our flight crews. All right, folks, thank you very much. This time I will read the announcement.
Well, that was pretty cool.
We were informed a while ago that Orange County is being invaded by aliens.
Or helicopter.
Yes,
Actually, my bad.
aliens.
Mr.
Good,
Ciccone
fear not. Okay, fear not. We got 200 cops,
are going out.
40 dogs,
Yep.
Bye.
SWAT team,
Almost 1 year.
Marine Corps,
We're gonna go to Chuck E. Cheese. Very romantic.
Okay? We are safe. Okay, everybody, sit tight.
said a lot of aliens.
Tony says aliens are coming.
This is Anaheim.
Don't do this to me, guys.
Bye.
See you guys.